Best Mexican, Mercado Mexican Kitchen and Bar, the 12 best restaurants in Nairobi, Kenya. Courtesy of Mercado Mexican Kitchen and Bar. Mercado Mexican Kitchen and Bar is helmed by chefs from Mexico City, who use homegrown and organic ingredients to revive ancient cooking techniques with a lively modern twist. Named the best Mexican restaurant on the continent by the 2019 World Luxury Restaurant Awards, the menu specializes in street food style sharing plates, ranging from tacos and tamales to quesadillas and burritos. Plates for one include enchiladas and fajitas, with plenty of vegetarian and vegan options for those who want them. In terms of drinks, enjoy Mexican cocktails by the glass or pitcher, or choose from a selection of fine wines from around the world. This Westlands restaurant is open from midday to 9 p.m. every day of the week.